How to access Rosetta Stone lessons offline. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you will learn how you can access Rosetta Stone lessons offline. So, how do you go about it? The first step is for you to locate the application on your device and then open up the application and log into your account just like I've done here. So once you're logged into your account, you'll see the language that you're learning at the top left corner of the screen. By the top right corner, you can see your settings icon, etc. Now, you must note that for you to access Rosetta Stone lessons offline, you have to have subscribed to the paid version. Now, what do I mean? By moving to the top right corner of the screen, you can see your gear icon like I said earlier. When you click on it and you're brought to your settings page, under manage downloads, once you click on manage downloads, you would see the instruction says buy a language to unlock offline mode. Now, to buy a language simply means to subscribe to the paid version of the Rosetta Stone. And how do you subscribe? Move to the bottom part of the screen where you can see three icons, the home icon, you can see the class icon, and then you can see the subscription icon. So yeah, go ahead to subscribe and buy a language, and then once you've done that, you can now download your lessons. And how do you download these lessons? Select the unit or choose the unit that you want to study and download. And then once you're on the premium version, by the time you scroll down to the bottom part of the screen, you will see an option use offline. Use offline. So click on it. Once you click on it, the content of the lesson would be downloaded immediately. And so once the download is completed, you can access and complete the lessons even without an internet connection. All right. And the same option of use offline is the same as buy all lessons, as you can see at the top right corner of the screen. So once you've paid and you click on buy all lessons, or the buy all lessons option would have changed to use offline, click on it, and so then you can now download the content of the unit that you'd like to study, and you can have access to it without having to connect with the internet. So this is it. So go ahead and get the premium version and you're good to go. Have a good day.